Africa Oil is starting to print cash, and I wanted to make a short about it. I just went over the latest earnings here for the first quarter of 2025, and we could see a 3x in expected future dividend. Not only that, in terms of profitability, the numbers have absolutely exploded, and I think that the company has transformed from doing more of a prospecting role to more of an actual production role and taking more ownership of these blocks in Nigeria. So we could see that in terms of the dividend for the stock, they paid 30 cents here projected. That's up 3 times from what it previously was. And there's a whole lot more room for dividends for Africa Oil, because they also used some of that excess capital from oil production from the Nigerian oil fields to pay down debt. They pay down debt in terms of traditional corporate banking loans, but they also pay down debt from revolving credit facilities that they actually plan to discontinue. What does that tell us about Africa Oil? That they no longer require the use of traditional revolving credit facilities? Well, it tells us that the company is in an extremely strong position. And if we look at dividend yield, we can see that it's roughly 12% as I'm recording this short. I think that yield is a bit lagging in this case. I think that it will go lower as we continue forward, as more and more investors catch on regarding Africa Oil. They look at the dividend, they look at the increasing revenues from production, and all of a sudden, well, the stock price is gonna go up, and that's gonna cause yield to drop. Alright, that's been it for this short about Africa Oil. And as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.